Hey Millionaire Minders, I'm back with another awesome video for you guys, and in this video I'm going to show you this brand new strategy that I found and that was also inspired by Franklin Hatchett on how you can make $200 per day plus with affiliate marketing and ClickBank. And why this is going to be so value packed again is because I'm going to give you a very useful ClickBank high selling product engine tool that will be revealed in this video that will really help you get a lot of sales. And I'm also going to show you the best highest selling products. And this is a full-on business model that you can run from home, so you can scale your income, the size of your business, to any size that you would like. This is not going to be a small money making method. This is a full-on model. And this is also worldwide, even for those people who can't sign up with ClickBanks in your country, as I'm going to show you how you can sign up on ClickBank anywhere in the world. And also this is going to contain a ton of freebies as yet again, and I'm going to give you access to a ton of premium Facebook video ads that will convert many sales for you. And I'm going to construct the perfect ad for you to get a ton of traffic. But if you're ready for this value-packed video, make sure you watch this until the end and subscribe if you're new. And without further ado, enjoy the video and let's get straight into it. And the first thing that we've got to do is we've got to find these high-selling products. And this is where I'm going to bring in this cool product engine tool for you in this video. So you can see this is the website that you want to come to. It's called cbengine.com. So cbengine.com is a platform that finds and filters all the best and highest selling products on ClickBanks, all for you in this nice simplified website. And you can see here on the left of this website, you've got the various different categories from ClickBanks. The one you want to filter by is CB Top Gravity. Gravity means these are the highest selling products. These are the products that are selling the most, which means these are products that people are interested in. And what gravity means is this means how many people have made a sale with this product in the last 30 days. And for those of you who don't know what ClickBanks is the best affiliate marketing platform that contains a whole lot of products, courses that people are buying on a daily basis, and you're going to get your unique special link to these courses, and every time you make a sale, you're going to get big commissions for selling these other people's products and services. So the best way of defining this or understanding this, you are essentially selling other people's products and services, and you are getting a commission for this. And when I say commissions, I'm not talking 10-20% commissions. The product that I'm going to show you in this video is paying between 70 and 90% in commissions, which is huge. That is completely unheard of to find commissions like that. So this is the products, the high selling products that's going to be paying these huge commissions to you. And the product that I'm going to be using for you guys, you can see here, is the Overnight Millionaire System by Wesley $1 Billion Virgin. So I'm going to click on this, open it in a new tab, and you can see all of the information is here. You can actually see here the referred 93%, the average percentage sale is 67%, commission. So you're getting a 75 commission for selling this product. And every time you sell this product, you're going to make about $29, which is really good considering this is a product that is really selling a lot. And the best thing about this product, it is super easy to sell. So I'm going to show you how you can make or take advantage of this product and really profit a lot of income and commissions from this. And you can actually see this is also a recurring type of commission. So when you make a sale on this product, you're also going to earn a monthly recurring passive income from selling this product. So some of the products on this website are referring or recurring as well, meaning you're going to earn a passive income, which is fantastic as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly come over to ClickBanks, and I'm going to find this same product on ClickBanks. So you can see if you come over to ClickBanks, you want to create an account. If you haven't created one yet, if you have, log in. And for those of you who are struggling to create an account where ClickBank is not supported, you will see I'm using a VPN on my browser called Setup VPN. So what you can do is install this via the Chrome extension store, come over to the United States, click on it, and you will automatically click or connect to the United States via your IP address. So now it looks like your computer is in the US, and when you create an account on ClickBank, it will work. So once it's done, I'm going to come over to the affiliate marketplace, and I'm going to find the same course or product that I've got here. So I'm going to quickly type in the search bar. Once this loads, here we go, Overnight Millionaire. So you can see I've got the Overnight Millionaire System right here. And before we start promoting this, there's a couple of awesome things that I want to show you guys. So you can see here, they've got the affiliate page. So I want to now give you a whole bunch of useful resources that is really going to boost you with this strategy. So you can see here, overnight millionaire, will you click the green button to earn easy cash and possibly become an overnight millionaire? What I want you to do is, if you're following with me, click on yes, I want easy cash. You've got to enter your ClickBank ID and also enter your email address. You're going to understand why now, because this basically is going to give you access to a ton of free resources that you need for this video. And you can see his website here. This guy, Wesley Virgin, is actually, I've seen a lot of his ads on Facebook. He has made a ton of money doing this. So this is really working. And you can see he's giving you a ton of free resources that you need. So you've got your new email swipes, October 2019. So if I click on this, I'm going to open this in a new tab. You can actually download a whole bunch of email templates if you want to set up an email marketing system with this as well. But the one that I want to get access or give access to you guys is the Facebook ads videos that are crushing it, that are getting a ton of sales that you are now going to get completely for free. So you can see I'm going to click on this and open it in a new tab. And it's going to take me to a Google Drive folder. What I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description if you aren't following with me in this video. And you can actually see here, I'm just waiting for it to load up. I've got access to a whole bunch of Facebook ads that you can use, or Facebook videos already made for you that you can use on Facebook and really get a lot of sales. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to download one of these, for example. Let's go WS Ad 8. I'm going to download this one. All right, so while that's busy downloading, I'm going to show you that video now. You can see on his website, this is pretty much just a plug and play system. This is all done for you. You've got your Facebook ads, you've got your Facebook video, you've got email templates, and the best part about this is I'm now going to teach you how to construct the perfect ad with this, getting a ton of traffic to this link where you're going to get a whole bunch of sales. And why I say you're going to get a whole bunch of sales is because these videos, I'm going to show you now, these ads that are downloading are really, really convertible. So you can see if I play this video, it's super simple. So that's just an idea of what the ad's going to look like. It's a short little 30-second ad that's going to be promoting this page or the product that you're going to be promoting, and that's going to get a lot of traffic to your link. So now what we want to do is that now that we've got our very professional ads, we actually want to come over to Facebook. You can come over to facebook.com, sign in with your account, create one if you haven't yet. And you'll actually see here on the top right, there is a create button. Click on that, and the first thing you want to do is you want to click on add. But firstly, before you do that, you actually want to make sure that you've got a Facebook page. So click on Facebook page, and you want to create a super easy page. You can call it anything. You can call it Ecom Turbo, Ecom Boost, or whatever it may be. Just search for great Facebook page names. You can create anything that you want. Literally, it's just there to promote the ad. But once you've created your page, you want to click on add, and it's going to take you to the ad campaign where you can create your Facebook adverts. That's going to get you a lot of traffic to your page. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, now that we're at our ads manager, it's important that you pay attention and really stick with me and focus, because here we're going to learn how to construct these amazing ads. So what we want to do is we just want to choose the consideration as traffic, as we just want to get traffic. We're not getting any lead generations or anything else. We just want to get traffic to our link. So you can see here the campaign name. Let's call it the Overnight Millionaire System. In this case, there we go, and we can click on continue, and now we're going to select our traffic type, any other specific settings that the ad needs. You'll see you then want to create your ad set name. So let's go literally copy this Overnight Millionaire System, billion dollar Virgin, Wesley Virgin, and you can see the traffic is going to be a website, dynamic creative you can leave off, offer you can leave off, and if you want to target any specific audience in the world, I'm just going to leave mine on South Africa in my local country. You can target the US, you can target any country that you'd like. What I suggest is target first world countries such as Switzerland, New Zealand, Australia, countries that are really economically stable, where a lot of people might actually be interested in this course. If you want to target third world countries as well, but I'm going to keep mine to South Africa in this case. And this part is pretty important. You'll see the automatic placements is selected by default. You want to make sure that you click on edit placements. So I'm going to uncheck Instagram, Messenger, and Audience Network. Just make sure you've got Facebook checked. Also uncheck Facebook video feeds, Facebook Rights column, as well as in-stream, in-article, and apps and sites as you can leave stories checked if you like. Stories is pretty cool. And make sure the newsfeed and marketplace is selected, because you don't want, the reason why you want to do this is you don't want to promote your adverts in places where people is not going to look at your ad, or where places that people won't think your ad is interesting. So that is why we are editing our placements and selecting the best ones possible for this specific ad. Budget and schedule, this is pretty important. So we want to keep this on link clicks. Then what we want to do is, for the daily budget, you need to decide what you want to spend. It is going to require a little bit of spending, but I mean literally $10. If I type in here $10 is going to get you between 3.3 to 9.7k people seeing your ad. So that is the potential traffic for just $10 will get you. I mean, imagine if you can see it between 103 and 298 people are most likely to click on your product. 103, you earning here $29 commission. So if I go, let's say 103 people out of these 3,000 people purchase the product times $29, that's $2,900 commission off this Facebook ad alone. So I mean, think about this as a business investment. You're investing $10, your potential is $2,000. Let's say even 20 people out of these 3,000 people, worst case scenario, purchase this product. So let's go 20 times 29. That is still $580, where you're making $570 on just 20 people, which is most likely going to be way more, because out of these 3,000 people, a lot of people, I'm sure more than 20 people will purchase this product. So you can actually see the earnings potential with this. So I'm going to leave my budget, for example, on $10. Then I'm going to click on continue, and we're going to continue now to actually designing the picture, the video of our ad. So the ad name, we're going to name it the Overnight Millionaire System by Wesley Virgin. So I'm going to come back and paste that. There we go. The identity, now you've got to select your page that you've created. So I'm selecting my page, and I've also connected mine to an Instagram account. You don't have to use Instagram, but I'm just leaving that as well. And then create ad. I'm going to use a single image or video. So I'm now going to click on this. I'm going to click on add media over here. So click on add video, and I'm going to upload a video from the one that I've downloaded. So let's double click on that. And there we go, guys. The ad that I've downloaded from this resource or this drive is now uploaded, and you can see my ad is starting to look really good. And I've put some good primary text, a good sample or a good template that you guys can use. So I've just put here as the primary text, do you want to learn or want to turn the life you have into the one you want? Join Wesley $1 Billion Virgin in a live coaching session as he shows you step by step how to build a very, very profitable internet business without opening your mouth. Then I've got to get started here. I'm going to show you how you can get your link now. And then as a headline, I've got free mindset training starts today. So the important thing now is we need our website link. So what we've got to do is we've got to come back to the marketplace on ClickBank, and you've got to come to the offer that you've chosen, click on the promote button, and it's going to come up with a new tab that looks like this. And you see you've got to enter your account nickname. In my case, I'm going to enter mine. Click on generate hop links, and you can see your affiliate link has now been created. So now when people click on this link and purchase Wesley's product, you're going to earn $29 in commission straight to your account. But you can see this link right here is very unneat, it's very scammy, it's very long, and it's very ugly. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to bit.ly, where I'm going to create a very neat short link. And this is what the bit.ly dashboard is going to look like. Make sure that you click on the create button, and it's going to ask you to paste your long URL. So click on that, click on create, click on save, and your short link will now have been created. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come over back to my Facebook Ads Manager, and I'm going to paste this URL, and the same thing in this description. So you can see this is what your primary text is going to look like. My ad's going to update now. So this is what this looks like. So you've got here, want to turn the life you have into the one you want, and then it's going to have this link as well. It's got the video that's going to be playing, and you can also set the call to action. You can choose anything in this drop down: listen now, apply now, book now, learn more. The best one, I think, or the default one, is learn more. You can also do get offer, I suppose, which is a good one, or you can also do book now is a good one, but I'm just going to keep the basic learn more. And then what you can do is you can leave the rest as is. You don't need to worry about tracking or anything like that. You can also make sure request manual review is on. click confirm and start running your ad, and you'll see a lot of people. I'm actually running a Facebook ad at the moment. So if I come over to my Facebook page, and you can see on my Facebook page, I'm actually running an advert as of right now, and I basically promoted one of my videos, one of my Google mini videos, and I have currently reached, I spent $15 on this ad, and I've reached 5,000 people with this ad, which is a lot of people. And I basically put this basic text, and I mean, if you're spending $10 on this ad that you've just created now, you can see the amount of potential people clicking on this link, and I can definitely tell that this ad will definitely get a lot more attention than this one, because the video is very professionally made. As I say, it's a premium Facebook ad video that you've got a whole ton of various different ones that you can use, different campaigns that you can run, and you can really run this as a full-time business. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment down below if you need any help, or what you think about this, or what you think about this strategy. I'd love to hear your opinions. But if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below to get some awesome content on a daily basis, just like this video on how to make money online. And also leave a like on this video. I'll really appreciate the support. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.